Okay. Let's see. I think with that code, I need to change out this. That's what I'm going to change out. So, let's see. Okay, see, that one, my snowman and stuff in the picture and stuff. And stuff. So, I think that's what I'm changing out. So I have to get the cover off the motor cover, which I have to remove this oil thing, make sure I put it back in so no dust or anything gets inside of there. I at least know that much. And then I'll have to disconnect this, and it should be like, I think, bolts or something like this in there, like 3 or 4 of them I have to take out and then replace the piece. So it seems like a fairly easy job. I might just cute face. I know how to do a ton of things, or at least how to do most things. Okay, this is the oil thing that I'll have to take off. That's what it was saying. I'm not too new to this. Okay, got that pulled off. Fine. Yay! Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just replace, as you can see, the oil thing, oil cap, so no dust or anything gets in there. All right. Now, okay, so it's 1, 2. All right, so it is 3. It's 3 of the, let me let you guys see. What's something about? Let's see. Okay. So there's 1, and then, well, you guys can't see it, but there's 2 on each side. So there's 1 here, and then there's 1 on the other side. So it is 3 bolts that I have to pull off there. So let's get that started. Let's see here. Okay. So we'll see if I have that in my toolkit. I definitely had to go and pick up some parts, specifically this one, the 1/4 ratchet. That's gonna fit this. I have a tool kit, and I've had it for years, so I guess over the years, pieces have gotten missing, or have gone missing. So didn't have that one, I suppose. So then, the pieces that I'm missing, I guess I can just so then this will lock in there. Now we have what I need to get the 3 screws off, or the 3 bolts off. Okay, so I had to put some oomph in it to really get it off, I suppose, because if I remember correctly, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Okay. I think I've did it enough to be able to unscrew it out now. Yes, I don't know if you can see it. I'm horrible at this right now. This is my first time doing a video with my car. I mean, with my truck. So, oh, and it's a 2007 Chevy Equinox. A 2007 Chevy Equinox. So, sorry, I didn't say that earlier. Finally got the little friend out. So, that's my friend there. I'll put him there. Or no, I should probably put him somewhere where he won't get lost. Don't want my little guy getting lost there. Right now. Oh, this one came off really. This one came off rather fast. Oh gosh, are you kidding me? To where I can just get it out of there. This next one came off rather fast. Let's see here. I don't think I can. Just give me some time. Now I saw videos to where some of them, it look like you can clean the part instead of buying a new one, like soaking it and cleaning it, I don't know, with gasoline or some cleaning solution that was in like a little spray bottle, which I'm pretty sure that is an option, but like I opted. I'm pretty sure that is an option, but I opted to just buy a whole new part. Okay, so righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, so Look at that. Gasket! I don't know what these are. I wonder. Okay. So then, what I was told was, if you look in there, and it's really dark, you can barely see it, and then in here. But I've heard, I've seen on other videos where they were like cleaning this out. They sprayed some solution inside of here, and then got a little drill brush thing and cleaned it out or dusted it out or whatever. But I opted to just buy a whole new one because I wasn't sure if I could do all of what they were doing. So here's my new one. And so, as you can see, it's got that piece that I need and the gasket. So it's for me, when I watched it, it was that simple. So now you just put everything back on. The way that it was. So then it's so wooden. Pretty much, and that's pretty much like burned off of there, the old one. You can pretty much see, or how much it was sawed down, I suppose. Okay. You can see how clean this inside one is. You can almost see in there, as well as this side. So that's the difference. Okay. Move it to the other one. Oh, let's do it this way. Okay, then let's fix this to righty. I think I fixed it to righty-tighty. Okay, now putting it all back in place. It's going in there rather smoothly. It's just taking a while. I don't tighten them all the way until I got them all in. That way I know they all like, I don't know, it's just something I'm used to, lining them up. Making sure they're all like lined up and everything. Okay. Yeah, let's put this on. Okay, so now. Still tightening. I heard that you want to make sure you don't over tighten. Never over tighten. So I feel like keeps on falling off as a screw it in as much as I can screw it in first, and then we'll this one goes a lot faster. There we go. I think that is it. And simple as that. I got my hands dirty. Also hurt myself. You probably can't see it right there, but I only scratched my, I don't know if you guys can see. See there? Where my skin is coming off some. Let me see if I can. No, you can't. There it is, so. But that is how I changed it. And if I can do it, I know you guys can do it too. But this is an old one, so I have a lifetime warranty on that. So if that one messes up, guess what? What I'm gonna do is bag this little sucker here, and or at least keep the box. And when that one messes up, I can replace it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now I have to put everything back at the cover. And notice that I kept the oil thing on. This oil thing on. Even when I took the cover off, because I didn't want dirt or anything, dust or anything to get inside of that. The oil thing and get to the motor and stuff. So, mess it up. So then we just put the cover and everything back on. Open it up. Place this back on there. Put the oil thing back in. And then reattach this to the new one. And voila. I did get my hands really dirty, but anything you can do, I can do too.